So I'm going to Montanita right now, and what's so nice about on the main stretch of highway is you can just fly down bus. There's no need to go to a bus stop. The ride costs $1.50 and takes about 40 minutes. Montanita is a small coastal town, super chill. It actually means little hill. It became famous very slowly decades ago as a place for surfing and lots of party people. In fact, it has one of the best nightlife for any town in South America. But in the meanwhile, let's get high first. I'm not joking. So I'm going to paragliding and my buddies from the hostel say it's a great day. It's almost perfect. But first, we need to hitch a taxi ride. Costs $3, fixed price please.
My name is Pablo. I work from the company Ecuador Paragliding, and today we have the pleasure to fly with you. And it looks like very good condition, so we're gonna have a lot of fun in the air.
I'm totally ready.
Okay.
My life is in your hands, you know that, right?
The backpack, very good.
Oh, exercise.
I need.
Then we get to the preparation, and even more preparation. You got the idea. I know guys, I just want to take off, but remember, safety comes first.
More forward. Okay, stop. Okay, good. That's so nice.
He's doing all the preparation work so everyone can be safe. I trust him. He's a cool guy. He's been around for 10 years or more. paragliding lessons come with a pilot guide who will take you on an exciting adventure in front of the sea. The guide takes care of all the work, so you just need to enjoy and fulfill your dream of flying. The downside, the flight experience lasts only between 12 to 15 minutes. Whoa!
Now stand up.
Okay.
How was it?
That's can't complain, man. This is like no word to describe it. Now I know how it feels like to be a bird. Now I know why you're addicted to this shit. Getting high is pretty addictive, so I took a taxi ride to get high again. At least the highest viewpoint for this town. So if you want to come and take a good view of the panoramic view of Montanita, this is the best spot, the viewpoint. It's actually not really far from the town. Just come up the hill and here it goes. I'm a little hungry to be honest, and given we're surrounded by sea, they definitely can't screw up those fishes, even if they try. So here you go. This is my lunch today, deep fried fish, and then with a lime. So what you do with the lime, I'm sure you know what to do. I can just I skip the lime now, I guess. The lime's really hard. Alright, well that being said, let's eat. The fish itself. You do have to pay attention to the bones, especially the soft bones. But overall it's pretty good. After the fish lunch, I headed back to my hostel to sign up for the #1 activity here. That is getting drunk. Just joking. It's actually sex. Okay, just another joke. It's actually surfing. I like to take this opportunity to thank my sponsor for providing me with amazing accommodation for the family on Montanita. They offer both comfortable dorm beds and private rooms, free breakfast, and most importantly, they offer yoga class and retreat. Of course, surfing lessons. Thanks, guys.
They are the first ones to host surfing.
Are you excited? So we're gonna get a crash course in surfing. I mean, I have surfed before, but trust me, I am no pro. So don't laugh. I will come after you on your Facebook to taunt you if you do. So getting our boards off, and our lesson will begin shortly. Once again, safety are the priority. So lesson first, and the ground rule must be set.
Lift up your arms.
It's almost like a physics
low.
class. So
What I wanna see.
I paddle. My lovely instructor. He's really cool, but like he's a cool cat. He's from Czech Republic, so he knows a thing or two about beers, and of course surfing. And we're gonna walk over to the wave. Yeah. With that being said, it's time to test out my manhood, or if I'm a quick learner, wish me luck. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna walk into water. I don't have a 6-pack, I do have a 1-pack though. So, to this deep, and then try to catch a first wave. Hey, I'm a newbie, so be gentle on me. Don't laugh! It was not easy, but I'm not a quitter, so I went back again, and again, and again, and again. You got the idea. Until somehow I made it. Well, guys, not everyone is able to stand on their 2 feet right away. But don't give up. I may not able to stand right now, but I'm not giving up. If I don't give up, you don't give up. video? How was it? Surfing! Alright, I just finished doing my surfing. This is like trying to get videos out the way. And you can see the wave. The surfing ends after sunset. It's time for the ride back to the hostel. After a quick shower, it's time to eat. First on the menu, another round of empanadas. The Chilean style is actually baked, not deep fried. So I'm excited to try mine right now. Oh my god, I miss these empanadas so much. Another thing you can do is you put some chili inside there. So it's really small. It's like $1.50. I mean, I don't recommend you try tons of them because you can, for that much, you can try lots of goodies around the town. But I'm a man. I need to hunt down some proteins. Since I don't have bones and arrows, I settle for some inexpensive real street meat. I mean, stalls selling Ecuadorian grilled meat. They typically offer marinated chicken, beef, lambs, and fish. What they are doing is marinated meat. They put it on top of the rice. And you get some plantains, you get some salads. It looks pretty good. I'm going to wait for my turn. So this is the traditional Ecuadorian meal, actually as traditional as you can get. As you can see, they do eat rice. This is actually beef and rice and beans, almost like Chinese. And then it is served with some salads and plantains. But that being said, there's nothing else to talk about. Let's just eat. Okay, here you go. Delicious. Now the beef is a bit chewy. You're going to need a little bit more time. Oh wow! See how nice they are? Yeah. What's your glasses? Wow! See how nice the Ecuadorian are? Got me an extra piece of beef. So this is a heart of Montanita at nighttime. The market just lights up and there's no reason for you to go home right away after your meal. You might as well share some calories by roaming the street. Another way you can help the local economy is by one of their locally made handmade souvenirs. And but make sure I'm going to be very careful because this car is walking because bargain is part of the local experience, and if they complain, you can blame it on me because I say so. So that being said, there's a car over here and I'll let this guy go.
Bueno, mi hermano, la pista yo te la estoy lanzando, improvisando, aquí con los tres mosqueteros. El chinito bonito.
You can also pick up some drinks or hit up some chicks or join a church service or all of above. Why not? Really, especially you can do all of that here. In fact, one of the most funniest and the most iconic place to go to in Montanita is Cocktail Alley. So this is the Cocktail Alley and it's a part of Montanita's nightlife. In fact, Montanita is considered one of the top 4 nightlife cities in all of South America. If you walk around this whole alley, you get to see dozens, tons and tons of pubs and bars competing for your business. In fact, the drinks are so cheap and only cost $1 to $3, making a perfect place to get wasted. The streets are filled with endless drink huts and stalls where you can find all sorts of concoctions, from cocktails and mixed drinks. And if you like your drinks to be strong, they'll add a bit of more booze for free. Next morning, I realized I basically did everything there to do in Montanita. So, I like to get high again. You got to do that to kill time, especially the direct bus to Baños leaves at 3 p.m. So, the preferred method of choice is hiking up a cliff between the town of Montanita and Ovano to the Santa Maria Children's Orphanage, one of the largest in Ecuador. Beside the large complex is a home to a viewpoint, which you can get a breathtaking view of the entire town along with the beaches.